Hello! To install Google Camera, the Gcam application on the Redmi Note 14, first of all you'll have to go into the Play Store, and right here you'll have to search for the Gcam Ultra application. You'll have to go in here and install it, and after you install it you simply have to open it up, and this is what you will see. And right here, as you can see, the Camera to API module is enabled on this device, and right here we have the Gcam 9.3 app, so we simply have to press to start the download. And let me just show you. We can go right here, and here are more files for other devices. And actually, as you can see, as you type Redmi Note 14 in here, there is the same application available to download, the Gcam 9.3, as you can see. And right now we'll have to wait for the download to complete, so let's wait. Alright, the download process is complete, and right now you have to tap install to start the installation process. And if it doesn't start, you have to open the folder with the installed folder and install it manually. So let's press install, and as you can see, it doesn't actually install the application, so we have to go into the folder. So let's press this button to open in folder using files, and right here we have the this application, the Gcam application. We have to press on this, and right here we have to go into the settings. We have to enable to install applications from unknown sources. So we have to go into the settings from here, enable this option to allow from other sources, select that I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences, and we have to wait for the OK button to count down and press OK. And right now we can install this application. So let's press install, and as you can see, the app is installing, and after this we'll have the Gcam application available. We have to wait for the application to scan using the Xiaomi security scan. Alright, and now we can open it. And right now, as you can see, we have the Google Camera available. We have to allow also all the permissions for this application. And yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.